This video we are going to look at another law called power law. We have already learned multiplication and division law. So let's say we have 3 square and we square it again. It means we multiply 3 square by 3 square, and using multiplication law we add the powers together, we get 3 to the power 4. So what power law states is we can just multiply the power together. It will be faster. So it's just 2 times 2, we get 3 to the power 4, and if we simplify, get 81. So just another example, 3 square and we to the power of 3, we multiply this together, is 2 times 3 is 6. How we get 6? Actually, we do this, we add the 2 up together, but power law makes this faster. Alright, so let's look at some examples. The first one, 8x power y power 3 square. It means we multiply this with the same number. Notice the number must be square as well, because at the end is 8 times 8, and x times x, we get x squared. Y power 3 times y power 3, we get y power 6. So we can also write in this form: 8 squared, x squared, and y power 6. So looking back here, using power law, we can just multiply the power. So x1 times 2 and then y3 times 2, we get this. But we need to simplify the number, so at the end we can rewrite 64x squared y to the power 6. Alright, example 2. Now we have a fraction. It works the same way. We multiply the power across both numerator and denominator. So we write in this form: to the power of 4, not forgetting the number, and p to the power of 4, and lastly q to the power of 8. And we just need to simplify this. 2 power 4 is 16. So this is the final answer. The next example is a little bit more complicated. First, we can actually simplify whatever is in the bracket. We can simplify the numerator with the denominator first before we multiply by the power. So after simplifying, we get this using minus, and the next step will be just multiplying with the power. So 5 power 3, and then r power 6 and s power 3. And lastly, we just multiply 5 to the power 3, so we get 125 as the final answer. So just a summary, we have learned what is multiplication law and division law. And the last one, power law. Whenever we have an index with a power, we just multiply them together. So at the end, we'll get this form. So that's all for this video.